What up, guys? Welcome to another week. Today we got the 450 here. We just got this thing. We're gonna change some graphics on it, change some plastics, get it all ready to go for the 2025 race season. So we're gonna be running that. Should be fun. Yeah, so let's hit it. So checking the valves on this thing. The intake valves are good. This is a 0.0015 shim, and we're supposed to be at 0.01. So that's 10%. And I mean, these valves are touching. They're literally there's no gap there. So no wonder it wouldn't start. Intakes are fine, just exhaust.
Yeah, look at that thing. This thing's been sitting on the fucking ocean floor.
Thing's gnarly. We're back at Kyle's house. It's day number 2. We got some surprises, all right? We got our tires mounted. So our tires are going on, wheels going on, chain sprocket. Got the graphics. Get all of it up so when we pull this off, get rid of those whites, dude. This thing is gonna look sick. Okay. Got some bad news. Found some damage on this thing. This thing's been put over on the right side. Obviously, it's a dirt bike. I mean, those things get crashed a lot. This one has a bent subframe. And I was like, let's just buy a new one. They're $1,000. So, I could, but I'd rather not. You see how this thing, the tire hits it? So I don't, I don't know how, because you can't even tell with the seats off, but somehow where this thing mounts, it's 100% where it mounts. On that little tab, which is like the strongest part of this whole thing, it's bent to the inside. So I don't know what I'm gonna do about that now, but I did notice that this Duval little heat shroud thing was bent a little bit too on the right side. So, but I can't imagine this bike's gonna have any easier of a life now it's in my hands. So I mean, I expect this thing to get just totaled. So yeah, we're just gonna probably bend her back straight somehow, hopefully, and call it a day. But yeah, we got graphics, wheels, plastics. We got a dune tire for this thing, so we're gonna hit the dunes. Big L, guys. I did a big L. Big mistake. I did not buy an O-ring chain. So it's a rookie move right there. Yeah, let's get this thing started. We're off to a fantastic start with these graphics. Fantastic start. Yeah, I don't think this bubble's gonna go away. I think that's for life.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I don't know. These things look sick though.
I don't think I am.
You see that?
Because I know Brittany's not gonna go. And Noah's not showing any interest. He's another fun.
That's sick, dude. That's sick. All right, I got all these graphics done besides one. Okay, and it's not going well. It's not going well. I got the rest of them done though. Besides the swing arm too. I gotta take off the swing arm. That's gonna be pain. All these are done. Look at that. It's got my name on the bottom. Look at that. Dude. This is gonna be sick with the wheels. I guess I got a few more. These on the wheels. Be pimping, dude. I cannot wait to get this thing done, man. The rest of it's really good.
Bubbles or nothing.
Okay, let me see. Let me finesse this thing.
Close.
Finger. Oh, dude, we ripped it. Fix it. A little persuasion.
I look good from across the track.
From the other side?
As long as there's no sun glare.
My goodness, dude. I have never seen a worse project in my life. Oh my goodness. You know what? That's okay, cause I'm gonna be looping out on the starting line, so it won't even matter. All right, well, let's get a seat done, dude. Look at this. Getting rid of the Adidas seat cover. Going to match the rest of it. You get these things off. What up, dog? Dude, these graphics look sick. I cannot get over that. The camera does not do it justice. It looks so good.
You gotta put it over on this one.
There's one that did not turn out good. So that's the end product after messing with it for so long. Oh, dude, it's just so clean. It's gonna look real good with the black wheels. I guess we're just gonna go over the top. I didn't know that was a thing. So I got my Harbor Freight air stapler because I guess that's the trick to making these work. So I'm gonna go get this thing stapled up. We're getting this thing nailed down. Show them the goods. What does the other side look like? Oh yeah, look at that. That looks good. It's gonna match. All right, we just got it finished up, the 2025 season bike. The wheels really made this thing happen, I gotta say. Yeah, this thing looks so good. Dude, just look at those graphics with the sparkles, man. The seat. Dude, the wheels. Brand new KKEs. We do not have an O-ring chain. It's on the list of things to get. I got a Duval skid plate for it. I gotta anodize it black, otherwise it's just gonna look like these pieces of brushed aluminum, which isn't really the vibe we got going. But besides that, probably get rid of these red things. Make them teal. What do you think?
Teal.
Hey, this thing is pimping. All right, well, we're gonna take it out for a quick rip, and yeah, just see how it looks.